Hey everyone! Welcome everyone back to Mario Editor, where today guys I will be continuing on building Chocolate Island. First level. So remember guys, we built quite a lot guys of chocolate. So yeah, let's continue more. And the most chocolate tile, if you remember, was this one. This is the most chocolate tile. This is like Sprouts, this one. Sprouts? No, this could be Sprout Island. This would be Chocolate Island, and this would definitely be Cake Island, obviously. You can obviously see what it is. Ice Cream Island, I'm not sure what can be used for Ice Cream Island, because not much that I can represent that looks like ice cream. Like, this could be Yogurt Island, perhaps, but that really does not look that much like yogurt anyway. Look, there's types of clouds anyway, so yeah. Let's go and let's add some more chocolate stuff, guys, shall we? I want it everywhere covered up. Chocolate. Because this is Chocolate Island. Now let's add. I mean, if I cover up every space, then I'm not going to be able to move through the space anyway. Perhaps cover up this, because I'm not really going to go there anyway. Perhaps leave this open. And if I think of it in a good way, you know, like how am I going to get to here? Because I'm trapped, you know. Like, if I fall down here, you know, if these are invisible, guys, until I hit them. So, you know, I cannot hit them yet. Because they're invisible. No. You know, they're invisible, guys. So, you know, I cannot hit them yet, guys. Okay? That's better. Now, you know, perhaps remove this as well. It doesn't have to be so compact, guys, otherwise, you know, you cannot literally after that anymore use it, you know. You trap there, you know. Maybe, yeah, I'm gonna be able to fall through here anyway. I'll just go up there again. And fall down here again, maybe. Perhaps, yeah. Perhaps if, yeah, I'll not be able to fit through here, so just get rid of these two. And maybe leave this there. Or maybe, yeah, no, just let's replace that again with chocolate. So yeah, now we've got more stuff. So, you know, let's make a hill. You know, this is like literally 2 blocks anyway, so it shouldn't be too much of a pain. You know, let's make a chocolate hill. And if I do this instead, well, it doesn't work right. I tried to see what happened left on this one and right on this one. I guess it doesn't work. That's better, you see. And I guess, yep. Then maybe go hang on the ceiling, perhaps. Here, guys, I'm back. I'm here, guys. Here, the most chocolate plate. So yeah, what I just had to remember for a minute what I was doing. So yeah, I just need to create the next top tile, guys. The next top tile. No, which will be here, like this. I'm not. No, guys. More chocolate stuff. Woohoo! Perhaps not be a good idea to use these blocks since they are probably semi-solid. However, I've got an idea. I just want to test something out quickly. Could I use them like a background tile so they're background instead so I cannot touch them? That'd be a good way to do it actually. Because I don't want the space to... at the same time, I want to fill up everything with chocolate. But at the same time, I don't want space to be taken over. If what happens, guys, if I do this. Okay. And let's fall down. So yeah, they are semi-solid. However, Alright then. I see it works. That's the proper way to do it now. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Just the background, so it doesn't take up enough space, you know. Now I've got to see the background tiles now. I can now use them for background, you know. I don't have to worry about space taken up anymore, you know. Obviously there's... I don't know if I can change all that. Should I change all that so it's... I mean, I want to be able to walk in the chocolate as well. You know, obviously nothing will happen to them, guys. They're safe, you know, they're all in the background. It's all background, guys, so yeah. No one is crushed here by anything. Because it's all in the background. That's better. It looks like he ate too much chocolate and he's dead. Yeah, let's just make that illusion. Perfect, actually, guys. Look at this, guys. It's almost all covered up. I want to be able to, as well, go to get some of the other tiles as well. Perhaps like this as well. No! No. Why is this? Oh, my days, no. Guys, I feel like I just did not do it in the background tile. No. Okay, let's get rid of all this. Get rid of this. No! Oh, my days, no. So, okay, let's go here again. Okay, guys, let's fix this. Or let's fix that problem. Save it. I could have just not saved it, you know, but never mind. But as we got, I can count how many exact tile placements are available. How many dark squares there are. Obviously, by multiplying them, I can count all the way from here to the end. Here, guys, I'm back. Here, guys. Alright, so yeah. I want to make sure that these are actual background tiles. Yeah. Background tiles. Like he's crushed. It looks like he's now crushed by the chocolate. He ate too much chocolate. That's what it looks like. Oh, let's build a lot here as well now, I guess. Do I have to change it every time, or is it always permanent? No, I don't want this. Background, there we go. Background tiles. There we go. That's much better, guys. Look at this. Oh yeah, I can see it peeking up out a little bit there. This place is so chocolatey, guys. Is that like you can literally see them peeking out from the back of these little mountains. Maybe give him something to eat as well. You know, they've all got a chocolate bar. No, this is literally Chocolate Island. Okay. If you guys are wondering what music I'm listening to in the game, let me tell you. I'm actually listening to... Let me see if I can make a similar sound. Let me... yeah, this one, Athletic. That's the one I'm listening to, guys. Athletic. This one with the clouds is the music. If you go to music and you click here, guys, that's exactly the music I'm listening to at the moment. Now let's create more stuff as well. More chocolate stuff, you know. Maybe build this here. You know, this doesn't have to be part of the background, but let's just build it. It's not originally part of the background. I mean, if I did this instead. No, I don't want this. No, I'm talking about this. Can it be like a small one? Yeah, it can be. It can be a small one, actually. Like, it can be used like a small one, you know what I mean? Like a very small. I can use this and then be like a very small one, actually. Like, I can use this here. Make it bigger, you know? And it doesn't really have too much of a dematch, you know? What I mean by dematch is that it's not out of you know, synchronization or anything like that. And it's actually very good. There's nothing out of sync, like a cut here. You don't see any cuts. That's what I mean, out of match, you know. But that's not a real concept, you know. I just made this concept up myself. What I mean by out of match is that there's no cuts, you know. When I use this and just this and I skip the middle, there's no cut points or gaps there. There's something out to fit in, you know what I mean, guys? Which is actually a very good thing, actually. I'm really happy with that. Let's not keep that there, otherwise... You know what, guys? Actually, because I keep all this to be, background tiles, actually. I don't know really about this one, actually, but, I could have... these ones, you know, here. Like that. There you go, that's better. Why isn't it set like this to default? Like it's always background tiles, you know? Or like you can change so it's always background tiles or always the other tiles, you know? I'm not sure why it's not like that anyway. But yeah. Let's just make a little mountain here. Wait. Never mind, I just want to see if that's background. There we go. That's background tiles, guys. Where can I put this? Look at that compact space. It's cool. So guys, okay. Let's go to background. And let's just fill it up. Like that, there we go, now that works. Anyways, guys, I'll end the video here so I can have a good time to publish. Oh yeah, guys, of course, you know, look at this. Just look at that. Oh my days, guys, just look. That's amazing, actually. That's amazing, you know. I'm just gonna keep filling it up with more chocolate stuff, you know. What else can I fill it up with? Come on! Oh yeah, of course. Background. It's the same block, except this one is like icing on a cake, but this one's chocolate, you know. Same block shape. You can obviously see it's the same block shape. Amazing, guys. If I cover up everything with chocolate, how's that look? You can obviously see like it's honestly going a bit very... I mean... There we go, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Save, and on my days, look at this. Oh my days, guys, I must change that later on. Oh my days, guys. Is it just me, or is it a bit spooky having that much? Or is that just me, guys? I don't know. Probably should just delete everything and create another island. I will do that in another video. I'm going to delete everything here and create another island called probably Cake Island or something like that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in another one, guys. Bye.